Hey guys, good morning. I'm meteorologist Kevin Jeans. Hopefully you enjoyed the really warm day we had yesterday. We're going to have another warm one today. This time the humidity gets a little bit higher, and early this morning tracking a couple of areas of rain. Now the first patch of rain I think is going to end up tracking to the north of us, but parts of northern lower Michigan getting some rain through the morning, even a few thunderstorms possible, mainly north of Saginaw, and that's going to be moving to the northeast. Meanwhile, another round of rain skipping by to our south. So our story across southeast Michigan is basically a dry, windy day, but the humidity is a little bit higher than it was yesterday. So we'll see more clouds overhead today, which may keep us from climbing as much in terms of what the temperatures will be like this afternoon. I still think we hit 80 degrees today. We're starting out so warm. It's still going to be windy, gusts around 30 miles per hour. So high temperature today, still calling it 82. We managed to hit 85 degrees yesterday. So 82, warm and breezy. Record high today, by the way, is 85 degrees. And then we will have a chance of showers and thunderstorms later tonight. Some could begin just before the sun goes down. So late this evening could be a few isolated thunderstorms, and then chance of rain will continue overnight and basically into tomorrow morning. So showers and thunderstorms possible throughout the morning Thursday, and then again later on in the day, chance of showers and thunderstorms will continue for Thursday. High still in the 70s the next couple of days. I think Thursday night into Friday morning could have more showers and thunderstorms, and gradually this rain will be moving out for the weekend by about Friday afternoon and maybe lingering into Friday evening.